So, what does it feel like to be the most famous Anna's hummingbird in the world?
Hey, I don't want to take all the credit. There's also Olive from Alyssa's nature sanctuary.
Well, yes, but I mean, you are the most famous Annas. See? Look at all the photos.
Well, I am gorgeous.
Could you tell us about your mating call?
Sure, I sound like this.
How about if we take a walk outside and you can demonstrate your lie?
Hey, Rudy. Sup? Aren't you from Ontario Ruby Woods?
Yeah, I'm on my way right now to the feeders.
Good luck, man.